Hello and welcome. Today, I would like to present to you behavioral observations of maternal offspring interactions in giant pandas, Ailuropoda melanoleuca. This is a study from the Wolong Grove Life Camp at Shenzhen Gender Panda Center. This study was conducted using live camera footage from the Wolong Grove Life Camp at the Shenzhen Ganda Panda Center, delves into the intricate dynamics of maternal care and cub development. By examining behaviors like locomotion, play, social interactions, we aim to enhance our understanding of these endangered species' social structures and conservation needs. Why do we study giant panda, especially on their maternal offspring interactions? Giant pandas, known for their distinct black and white coat and solitary nature, are a species of great ecological and symbolic significance, especially in China. Their maternal care, particularly during the early developmental stages, is a critical area of study for improving captive breeding programs. This is because their cubs are born altricial. Altricial means small, blind, and highly dependent on their mother for survival. During the initial months, maternal behaviors such as nursing, grooming, and protection are crucial for their development. This ensures that the physical well-being of the offspring facilitate the development of the essential skills through play and social interactions. Even though much of this research has focused on wild populations, a gap remains in understanding the maternal offspring dynamics in captivity. This study aims to bridge that gap and utilizing non-intrusive live camera observations to document behavioral patterns and contribute to improved conservation strategies. The purpose of this study is to investigate the maternal-offspring bonding, cub development, and the implications of these behaviors for conservation efforts in panda captive breeding programs. This study was done by continuous observation of a mother panda and her two cubs over several weeks at Wolong Nature Reserve in Shenzhen Ganda Panda Center. The center offers a controlled environment ideal for observing panda behavior through live cam footage, which minimizing human interference. Within the enclosure, the female panda is named Pen Yu by the zoo. And within this screenshot, you can see Pen Yu with her two cubs, one on the ground and another one on the tree. The behavioral data were recorded using scan sampling over 3 different days from the Wolong Nature Reserve live cam footage, producing 3 different videos which we could replay and analyze with the help from my friend Jeff Tan and Mong. We categorized them into an ethogram, and then we using focus sampling. Each of us record the frequency and time span for each behavior between the mother panda and the cubs. After standardizing the recorded data between me, Jeff, and Mong, the panda behaviors can be categorized into 4, which are locomotion, resting, play, and social interaction. The results show that play behaviors dominated both frequency and time span, showing their pivotal role in the development of giant panda cubs. It is revealed that the mother panda engaged in play an average of 7.67, spending approximately 179 seconds on this activity. Similarly, the cubs display play behaviors frequently with a mean frequency of 4 and average of 73 seconds spent playing. This pattern highlights the importance of play in fostering physical, cognitive, and social growth in the cubs, while also serving as an opportunity for the mother to engage in social bonding. The significant time invested by the mother in play suggests a dual purpose of nurturing her cubs and modeling appropriate behaviors for their future survival. Hugging was another prominent behavior, reflecting the mother's nurturing role and its significance in establishing a secure attachment between her and her offspring. Both the mother and the cubs display an equal frequency of hugging, which is 2 times. Though the cubs spend significantly more time with 95 seconds in this behavior compared to the mother, 38 seconds. This disparity may indicate the cub's greater reliance on physical contact for comfort and emotional security during their early developmental stages. Hugging not only reinforces the bond between the mother and her cubs, but also promotes a sense of safety and stability, which is crucial for the cub's overall well-being. In terms of exploratory and locomotive behaviors, the cubs demonstrated a higher frequency of climbing and running compared to their mother. Climbing behaviors were observed in the cubs' 2.67 frequency on average with 35 seconds span, while the mother only climbed 0.33 times, spending 14 seconds on this activity. Similarly, the cubs engaged in running behaviors with a mean frequency of 0.67 and 5.33 seconds span, whereas the mother exhibited no running behavior. These findings highlight the cubs' developmental trajectory as they build motor skills, coordination, and confidence through exploration, which are crucial for their transition to independence. Interestingly, sitting and lying down were common resting behaviors observed in both the mother and the cubs, although the dynamics differ slightly. The mother spent considerable time lying down 36 seconds and sitting 11 seconds, reflecting periods of rest of vigilance while attending to her cubs. The cubs mirrored these behaviors with similar frequencies but spent more time sitting with 24 seconds and lying down 37 seconds. These patterns suggest that while the cubs are active and exploratory, they also require ample rest, balancing play and recovery during this critical developmental stage. Last but not least, walking was relatively infrequent, with the mother exhibiting this behavior once only on average and spending 4 seconds walking. The cubs did not engage in walking during the observation period, which may indicate that they rely more on climbing and running as primary forms of movement at this stage. The limited time spent walking by the mother could also suggest a strategy to conserve energy while maintaining proximity to her offspring. Overall, the analysis revealed distinct behavioral patterns that highlight the mother's dual role in nurturing and modeling behaviors and the cub's developmental shift toward exploration and independence. The bar graph clearly illustrates that play behavior stands out as the most dominant activity for both the mother panda and her cubs, with the highest mean frequency and mean time spent compared to other behaviors. This significant emphasis on play behavior highlights its vital role in fostering motor skills, social bonding, and cognitive development in cubs, while also enabling the mother to actively engage with her offspring in a meaningful way. In conclusion, the findings demonstrate that play and nurturing behaviors are essential components of cub development in both social and physical aspects. The mother panda effectively balances protective behaviors with encouraging independence, while the cub shows progressive development through activities like climbing and running. Play emerged as the predominant behavior, which underscores its significance in developing motor skills and strengthening family bonds. These findings have important applications for captive breeding programs where creating environments that simulate natural maternal-offspring interaction is crucial. Further research should explore long-term impacts of enrichment activities on cub development and investigate potential variations in maternal care patterns across different panda populations. Conservation efforts must prioritize designing enclosures and programs that promote natural behaviors, particularly emphasizing play-based activities. This approach will better prepare cubs for potential wild release and contribute to species survival. As Albert Einstein wisely noted, look deep into the nature and then you will understand everything better.